makes you the most proud about working with each other as a couple on screen? And now on the big screen.
Nasabi ko na to kanina na nakatrabaho ko si Rian from Stairway to Heaven pa. And at that time, nag-aaway pa kami, sabunutan kami, gano'n. Iba yung dynamics namin at that time. And then, I was able to work with her, parang fast forward to 2015.
Ay, patay-pareho kami ng sagot una.
Yung Rich Man's Daughter. Nung time na medyo nag-iba ulit yung dynamics kasi very sensitive yung subject na yun. Nung time na yun. But kung ano man yung kinaka-proud ko doon was we were able to give voice to people, women, who can speak up. Kasi after that, ang dami kong mga natanggap na emails, na mga letters from a lot of people who were afraid to come out. And natatakot sila sa kung ano yung sasabihin ng mga tao sa paligid nila, ano magiging perception sa kanilang pamilya nila. But I think nung time na yun, when we did Rich Man's Daughter, bilang mga actors, isa yun sa pinaka-rewarding na pakiramdam that you were able to touch and kumbaga parang empower women or people or the audience. So ayun yung isa sa mga bagay na katulad ni Direk Sigrid, di ba? Kung ano yung bagay na nagpapabangon sa kanya bilang mga actor, ito yung fuel sa amin. Siyempre masarap makatanggap ng mga awards, pero kapag nanggaling sa mismong nanood yung mensahe na maraming salamat na binigyan nyo kami ng boses, napakasarap sa pakiramdam. So I think, proud ako sa amin ni Rian that we were able to pull that topic and that project. And here, iba naman yung atake namin this time, but ngayon parang bigger screen, di ba? Bigger platform. Malaki na yung screen namin ngayon. Ang dami nang pwedeng puntahan. And hindi lang sa Pilipinas na we were able to reach the people from outside the Philippines. So, ayun, dun pa lang napaproud na.
Miss Rian?
I agree.
Ang ganda na kasi yung sinabi.
True that.
Period.
Well, yeah, definitely. That's what made me proud also so many years ago. Na parang there was really a lack of representation, I think. And I think when you work in media, it's kind of our responsibility then to lead the way and tell people what is normal. I mean, kasi ako, when I feel sad or misunderstood or something, it always makes me feel better to listen to a piece of art or watch, either listen to music or watch a movie and all of a sudden when there's a story being told, I feel seen and I feel I'm not so weird pala, I'm not so different from other people. And I think that was the biggest gift of Rich Man's Daughter. What I can say I'm proud of with Liza naman is we've known each other and we've worked together over such a long period of time that I've seen so many of her eras also, na parang every time we do a different project, you're a different person. In a good way. In a good way. That just means we're growing. Pero, alam mo yun, like, now I think the Glyza that I met this time, and also I hope that the Rian that you met this time, is a new person that also, like, the person that you are, it makes me proud of you, the person that you've become, and how much responsibility you take on for something that you believe in, and your job. So, that's what I'm proud of. The fact that I can say na through the years, we've somehow grown together.
I think that deserves a round of applause, everyone. I think it's so inspiring to hear